Hello, I'm John Ramey with Ramey Law. One of the types of cases we specialize in handling at Ramey Law are cases involving construction defects affecting the home of a homeowner in the Southern California area. Oftentimes these defects can start with leaks coming in from the roof into the house or with cracks in the walls or ceiling or floor. In that situation, once the homeowner contacts us, we will work with an experienced team of architects, engineers, and contractors to investigate the problems, to develop a scope and cost of repair, and then to present those claims against the developer or the contractor. In that situation, if the case can be resolved prior to litigation, we'll work to develop an appropriate cost of repair to compensate the homeowner to make the repairs needed for the home. If, on the other hand, litigation is required, we are prepared to move forward with the filing of a lawsuit against the developer or the contractor so we can achieve the just compensation the homeowner deserves to make sure they get the compensation to fix the home and to make the home the habitable home that they purchased and want to be able to live in going forward. If you have any questions, please contact us at Ramey Law or visit our website.